Welcome back to our channel. In this video, we'll show you how to mute a contact in WhatsApp on your PC. Let's get started. Step 1. Open WhatsApp on your PC. Step 2. Right-click on the desired contact that you want to mute. Step 3. From the options that appear, select Mute. Step 4. Next, choose the duration for which you want to mute the contact. You have 3 options: for 8 hours, for 1 week, or always. By following these simple steps, you can easily mute any contact on WhatsApp web. This feature is especially useful if you want to temporarily silence notifications from a specific contact without blocking them entirely. Muting a contact can be helpful when you need some uninterrupted time or when you want to avoid constant notifications from a particular person. If you ever change your mind and want to unmute the contact, simply repeat the steps and select the Unmute option. We hope this tutorial was helpful to you. If you found it useful, please give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this one. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comments below.